Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let's get started. So yesterday I was in the classroom. You said, "Sir, I understand your pain. How it is difficult to teach all day." Why did you think so?
So because in my computer in the computer institute there are 4 and 5 students. Then I have to teach them, and they have also more hard and difficult question that I will have to give reply. So sir, on that time I know that how do you teach. You have also your own work, and after the work you have also teach to them, and they have also some type of doubts.
How do you look at teaching industry as a respectable job or responsible job?
Sir, both. I think the teaching in the teaching person, it is also a personality, and it is also responsibility that you will have to manage both the things.
But we have seen many teachers are being abused on social media platform.
Sir, they are not the teachers. They just want the money from their teacher.
Okay, nowadays we have got so many teachers on social media. Means they are not teachers, they are YouTubers, but they have become teacher and they are spoiling kids somehow. There are some girls too.
Sir, they just want money. They do not care about even their
Means
own.
they are having some nude clothes or something which is visible, and their body is visible to students, so they can get more viewership. So such kind of strategies are being used by such YouTubers.
Sir, I think it's my personal opinion. They are getting the money from their Instagram, from the YouTube, from the Facebook, or they also want. We will also get the money from the while teaching. So sir, they are doing most of the things. They just want money. They have just meaning on the money, not the people.
What do you want to say? A cheater can be a teacher, and a teacher can be a cheater. Means a cheater can teach you, and a teacher can cheat you.
Sir, both things can be.
Do you understand?
Yes.
It is really deep. A cheater can teach you, but a teacher can cheat you.
Sir, both things will be happen. Can be might be happen.
It's happening.
Sir,
Has anyone taught you any lesson by cheating you?
no, sir. I am not.
Has she cheated you ever?
No. Sir, I have no one.
I just said
आगे
she.
अंदर की बात आ गई.
Okay, you understand the meaning of she means personal.
No, sir,
She
I have no
means-
one.
Okay, how do you see this love relationship in today's time? Do you think it's common? We shouldn't think much. Parents should allow. We can't stop.
Sir, I don't think about the relationship because this all things are the wastage of time and your money.
What do you think about that?
But why?
Sir,
Do you think directly about marriage?
Yes, sir, this thing is right.
This is right.
हम दो
The first time we should get married.
And what is the right age to get married as per you?
Sir, I think the right age is 25 plus.
25 plus. If somebody has got success at 22, then
Sir, I think he should get married at the age of 28.
or somebody doesn't get success at the age of 30 even, then
Sir, at the age of 30, sir, he should not get married. He's so stable.
okay, just tell me one thing. Why we have connected success to our marriage only? Why people say first become successful then get married? I can also marry without being
Sir,
successful.
this thing is only happening in the Indian community, but this thing is not happening in the other communities.
Means they are getting married without getting success.
No, sir, I want to give the example. In the other community, like the example of Muslim, at the age of 18 and before, they are studying in the schools even. They are getting the marriage also.
They are not getting married. They are being forced to marry.
They are-
That
Sir.
is the difference between getting married and being forced to marry.
कबूल है.
Sir, this thing is happening in the other community, but they also think after some time he will also get success.
Will you ever take dowry in your life?
Sir, absolutely I will take. What's wrong in that?
काम की बात है.
Do you not think it will be a quite shameful moment for you? You are successful and you are taking dowry, and a father is giving. Yes, take it.
Sir, I am
You should
not taking for myself. I am taking just because taking care of her.
So, is your home an ashram that you are looking after the girls?
Sir, this thing is coming from our previous time, so sir, definitely.
Do you not think it will be a social stigma on you? Or do you think nothing is like gift?
Sir, it's not a dowry. It's in today's time that we call gift. They are giving us gift, and we cannot reject the gift. And someone can also get बुरा मान लिया.
Okay, you will mind if you don't take.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bride's father will mind. Oh, Jatin is not taking Fortuner. Why is he not taking? He should take. So well done, clap for Jatin.